Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X19 S, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the Hotspot Toggle, which for me looks to actually not be turned on by default. So I'm gonna select that little pen right here. And there is the toggle, so we can just grab it, drag it over and drop it, and now we can actually access it from our notification panel. So once you find it, you can hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you want to select Wi-Fi Hotspot, and you can now customize several different settings. So we have hotspot name, which is just going to be the name of the Wi-Fi. You can change it if you want to, or keep it as it is. Then we have the hotspot password, which by default just some randomly generated passwords, so we can remove this one and set our own, as long as it has 8 characters in length. And under advanced we have also AP band. We can choose both of them if we want to, which is actually a nice feature. So we will broadcast the signal in both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so you can basically connect to the better option that your device supports. So go, and then below that we also have the maximum connections, so you can choose how many people can connect to your hotspot at a given moment. And lastly, option that I advise you to keep on is the turn off hotspot automatically, meaning that when you're not using it for extended period of time, it'd be like 5 minutes or so, the hotspot will turn off automatically, which is a really nice thing because the hotspot does consume more battery than, for instance, Wi-Fi and other stuff. So this will basically allow you to not constantly think about turning it off, and the device will do it for you. So anyway, once you went through all the settings right here, you can simply leave it, and now all you need to do is whenever you want to use the hotspot, simply toggle it on, and there we go, it's right now turned on. And additionally, you don't actually have to wait for the timer to kick in and turn off your hotspot. You can also do it yourself by, again, tapping on toggle like so. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.